Clean is no longer just a look, it's a biological standard. In 2026, we've moved past chemical buckets and heavy contaminated mops that simply spread grime around. Today's STEAM technology focuses on deep-level sanitization without chemical residue, using pressurized vapor to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria, while preserving the structural integrity of your flooring. The ScrubMaster is engineered specifically for the detail-obsessed homeowner who deals with deep textured tile and high-traffic mudrooms. Most mops miss dirt hidden in shadows or grout lines, but the integrated high-intensity LED headlights on this unit act like a blacklight for dust, ensuring nothing is left behind. The standout technical feature is the dual scrubbing head, which oscillates at a specific frequency designed to break the surface tension of dried-on spills rather than just vibrating. This machine is exceptionally 2026 ready, featuring an anti-slip swivel head and an upright locking mechanism that allows you to step away safely without the mop crashing to the floor, making it the most balanced and ergonomic choice in its class. Shark has redefined power by integrating their famous steam blaster technology into the S8201, specifically targeting petrified kitchen messes and massive floor plans. When the mop encounters a sticky patch of dried juice or grease, a simple flip of the head delivers a concentrated jet of high-pressure steam directly onto the spot to loosen the bond before the pads arrive. Unlike traditional push mops that require physical exertion, the S8201 utilizes rotator action where the pads spin at over 150 RPM, essentially walking the mop across the floor for you. Users can maintain total control via 3 distinct smart steam settings that allow for instant toggling between wood-safe moisture and deep scrub power with a single thumb flick. The Pursteam 10-in-1 serves as the ultimate value-to-utility play, making it the perfect choice for apartment dwellers or those who want a single tool for every room. This machine is a true transformer. With a single click, the main motor detaches from the frame to become a high-pressure handheld steam cleaner. This versatility is supported by a suite of specialized brass and nylon brushes that allow you to transition from sanitizing hardwoods to cleaning oven racks, window tracks, or even steaming wrinkles out of curtains. Because it is exceptionally lightweight, it remains the preferred choice for multi-story homes where carrying heavy equipment up and down stairs is a primary concern. BISSELL has addressed the primary fear of steam mopping, warping delicate wood, by developing the Smart Steam system, which is currently the most intelligent moisture metering technology on the market. This system ensures that your luxury vinyl plank or sealed hardwoods are sanitized with the exact amount of vapor needed to dry in under 60 seconds. The cleaning action is powered by plush, microfiber-based rotating pads designed to buff and polish the surface as they work, leaving a streak-free shine that mimics a professional wax job. Furthermore, the machine is engineered with quiet-tech internal components, making it significantly more silent than the Shark, and ideal for early morning cleaning routines. The HSM13E1 is the ultimate no-nonsense machine, winning the top spot for speed in a world increasingly filled with complex gadgets. While other units require a lengthy warm-up period, this model transitions from off to ready in a staggering 15 to 20 seconds, making it the perfect tool for fast daily refreshes. Its physical design is equally efficient, featuring the slimmest profile in this group, which allows it to slide completely under low-clearance cabinets and kitchen toe kicks that larger mops simply cannot reach. There are no complex modes to program or digital menus to navigate. You simply fill the tank, plug it in, and clean, making it the essential companion for the 3-minute kitchen tidy-up. Choosing the right machine depends entirely on your home's unique layout and floor types. If you are managing over 2,000 square feet of stubborn tile, the Shark S8201 is the undeniable heavyweight champion of the year. For those who demand to see every hidden speck of dust and prioritize ergonomic safety, the Pursteam ScrubMaster offers a level of detail that is unmatched. However, if your goal is to sanitize the entire house, from the floors to the kitchen appliances, the Pursteam 10-in-1 remains the most versatile and cost-effective investment you can make for a cleaner 2026.